You are the owner of a SaaS startup. You've already completed your Series A. You've got a product that people want. And right now, you're getting leads from different directions. You have people signing up on your website, your live chat widget. You've got trial signups. You've got demo requests. You even got a private playbook that you've published. So a lead can walk in from any of those doors. And right now, it means that the speed at which you respond to your leads is more important than the quality of your deck. So I'm going to show you an automation for your exact business that is going to help you respond to those leads in minutes rather than hours or days. We can set up a workflow that allows you to capture, that is, every lead from any of the sources. Like if someone comes in from a demo request that say they are booking a sales call from your website, or maybe they are signing up for a trial sign up, they are going to maybe creating a free account inside your product. Maybe you have a lead magnet from a landing page or a downloads guide that is downloaded from your website, or maybe your live chat widget. This person is going to be captured. Maybe they come in from all those doors. They're going to be captured from in this workflow. We're going to qualify them. We're even going to log them, and we are going to reply. We're going to alert our sales team, and then that workflow is also going to follow up if you do not reply in time. We're going to have a setup that is going to respond according to how we set it up. So let's have a look inside NA10. As you can see from this workflow, you have 4 doors, people coming in from 4 different directions. And then we have nodes that normalize that data. Say someone from this contact form fills in email with a small e. Another one signs in with an email with a capital E. Another one comes in with a domain.email. When we have such data, we need to normalize it before we can push it to the next stage. Once that is pushed into this stage, it's normalized, and then AI qualifies. Say someone has signed up for a trial on your website. That is a hot lead. Someone else requests a demo. That's another hot lead. But if someone is coming in and requesting a look at the quick start guide, that is like a warm lead. If someone is like has just like left their contact details, that is somehow a cold lead. So AI is going to qualify them. Once they qualify them, you're going to get that to an enriching tool. We're going to find out more about that person. Once we have that person's details, like their company, like what is like who they are in that company, what is how large is their company, what do they do in that company, do they have a sales team, like it's going to help you get the dynamics of that company, like Apollo or Clay. And then we're going to log that data on Airtable. Once you've logged in on Airtable, now from that you can get either an email, an instant email to your Gmail or whichever platform that you use, and then it's going to tell you in on your Telegram or WhatsApp. You can also use WhatsApp in this stage. We are going to tell you whether that person is a hot lead or a warm lead or a cold lead, so you don't have to follow up on each and every lead. You're going to start with the most important people that you want to follow up with, and then you can proceed to the warm lead. And this can help your sales team to follow up with the people that are likely to close in a very short time, so that if someone comes in at 9 p.m. on a Thursday, they do not get a reply on the next maybe Monday afternoon, or if they come in at Friday evening after hours, they're not going to get a response on Monday. They can get a response within the same time when their interest is high. So your sales reps are going to have the people that they are going to be talking with, instead of going into the spreadsheets that where you're recording and seeing who is who. AI can qualify those leads. They can enrich the leads for you. It can enrich the leads for you. It can also log those leads in an Airtable or a HubSpot CRM, whichever CRM that you use. Once that is done, you're able to follow up, you're able to log your leads and respond in time. That is what AI automation can do for your inbound leads. So at this point, your lead time goes from hours to 60 seconds response time. You do not need to hire new people, and you're going to save up to 80% on repetitive tasks. And the typical build for these takes from 48 hours for a small build to 7 days for a major build. If you want this built for your business, we can scope it, build it, and deploy it. The link is in the description, the email link. You can also book a discovery call on our Calendly or leave a comment in this video. We are going to find it and get back to you. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.